Hey there everybody, Radu here, and I'm incredibly excited to be able to show you our latest software called OptinX. Now OptinX is a fully cloud-based app that allows you to display and create stunning opt-in forms that grab your visitors' attention and force them to opt in and generate leads, sales, clicks, traffic for your website. Now the way it works is that it's all based in the cloud. It's all click and you're done, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create those opt-in forms in a second. But right now I have a demo page set up which has different types of opt-ins that you create with OptinX so that you can see the end result. You can see what your visitors will actually see and interact with OptinX. So this is a test page and it's created to display different opt-in forms that you can create as well with OptinX. So for instance, if I were to click on full screen here, you can see this beautiful full screen opt-in that pops out right on top of the page, and I cannot go on further with the website unless I sign up or I decide to skip this offer. So this is a very powerful way to build your list, and you can do it beautifully inside OptinX, and it works across a variety of different forms and across a variety of different niches. Like right now you're looking at an e-commerce form, an e-commerce opt-in form that offers a discount in exchange for your email address, and you can also have those pop up at different parts of your site or from the left, from the right. You can see right here this one pops up through the left, and there's a similar one on the right, and you can also have it triggered based on different activities from your users. So for instance, on click, on exit pop-up, and I'm going to show you a couple of those. So for instance, inactive mode generates a pop-up when the user is idle on your site for a defined time. So if I click inactive mode here, you can see it counts down the actual time I have to wait and not be active, not click on anything before this opt-in form pops up. Now obviously I can do it at specific intervals, on click, and also exit pop-ups. So for instance, exit pop-up, if I were to click and leave, an exit pop-up would appear here. If I clicked stay on page, I'd get this special offer right here. Now you can see there are a lot of different ways in which you can use this, and it's literally one click away from creating stunning opt-in forms with OptinX. Now we're going to take a look at exactly how you can achieve these sorts of opt-in forms that literally they pop up right at you, they bounce, and they come into full screen effect and literally grab your visitors' attention, skyrocket your leads, skyrocket your revenue and sales. So let me switch right now to the app itself. Those so far have been demos of what you can achieve by using the app. So if I move here, this is a fully cloud-based interface, fully in the cloud, fully web-based, which means you can access it from anywhere with your login. So I'm going to log in right here, and this is how it looks like. Obviously, I don't have a campaign yet, so it encourages me to create one. So I'm going to click create your first campaign, and here it takes me to the beautiful categories page with all the templates included inside OptinX. Now those are all tested and proven to convert, which means they will absolutely skyrocket your leads, skyrocket the amounts of opt-ins that you get from your site. And those are broken down by categories. So you have email signups, video ones, e-commerce, feedback requests, and so on. So if I were to pick the first one here and click proceed, as you've seen, just a click of a button and I'm right here, and I can edit the text here, I can edit the headline here. You can see how easy it is. I just click on it and it's done, it's added in. I can obviously change this, tweak this, one click away, upload the picture, and it's done. So obviously I have full power over how this looks like. But most importantly, I can also tweak the way it behaves. So an animation is how an opt-in form behaves when it's loaded. So you've seen that one that absolutely popped right at me. You can do it like this: pulse, flash, bounce. Now obviously this is meant to attract a visitor's attention and get him to sign up, get him to opt in. And you can also choose your behavior, which can be on exit, intent, on load, whenever a visitor hovers with the mouse across a certain button, a certain page. On click, whenever he's inactive, you've seen that before on a specific time, or whenever he scrolls down. So this is all incredibly powerful, and it's all integrated with autoresponders through API. The main ones, they're built right into OptinX through API, but you can also use copy paste and integrate any sort of opt-in form here. Any sort of autoresponder will work with OptinX. Now at the end, all you have to do is click save. Right here, it's going to ask for an opt-in, so I'm just gonna put the name testing, click save again. It requires me to pick a behavior, so I'm going to go with exit pop-up, click save, and it's giving me the code. This is all I have to do, is copy this, paste it into my WordPress site, into any website out there, and I'm good to go. I have the opt-in form popping up, doing all the behaviors I want it to, so it can be whenever a visitor decides to exit, whenever the site loads, whenever a visitor hovers with their mouse across a certain button, and so on. So you can see how powerful this is. This is literally lead pages, but with a low one-time fee. And we've got tons of templates. Those are high converting templates aimed at internet marketers. They are for internet marketers, built by internet marketers. So you're guaranteed high conversions and high signups from your visitors. So you've also got training, you've also got tutorials, and obviously the dashboard allows you to build more opt-in forms and track everything. Alright, so thank you for watching this demo video. I hope that you're as excited as I am to be started working with OptinX, and take action now. Grab your copy today. I will see you on the inside.